Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Transit steering wheel. First, ensure your ignition key is fully inserted into the key slot. Sometimes, the steering wheel locks when pressure is applied to the wheels after parking. To begin, gently wiggle the steering wheel from side to side, applying light pressure. This movement helps to release the tension on the steering column's locking pin, making the next step much easier to perform. You should feel a slight give. While maintaining that gentle wiggling motion on the steering wheel, simultaneously apply light, consistent pressure to turn your ignition key. You are essentially trying to find the sweet spot where the key can turn freely. Do not force the key. Instead, keep the pressure steady and the wiggling continuous. You should hear a soft click as the steering wheel lock disengages, allowing you to start your Ford Transit. This coordinated action is key. If the steering wheel remains locked, first double-check that you are using the correct key for your Ford Transit. A worn or incorrect key can cause issues. Sometimes, the wheel might be locked with more pressure in one direction, so try wiggling it more firmly towards the opposite side. Remember, never apply excessive force to the key or the steering wheel, as this could damage the ignition cylinder or the steering column components, leading to more costly repairs. Patience is important here. To prevent your Ford Transit steering wheel from locking up again, always remove the ignition key straight after parking. This simple habit reduces the chance of accidentally engaging the lock. Also, try to avoid turning the steering wheel sharply or forcefully when the vehicle is stationary and the engine is off. If you notice the key feeling stiff when turning, a small amount of graphite lubricant in the ignition cylinder can often help maintain smooth operation and prevent future issues. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.